Okay, hello everyone. Let's solve this question. Calculate the distance between the following pair of points. Okay, first bit is simple. It's in Cartesian coordinates. So you can directly do x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Okay, to take out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so what is given to us? First is 2 and then is 6. Okay, then next 1 and that is minus 1, so it will become plus. Then 5 minus 2 whole square. Okay, so what is this? This is minus 4, so its square is 16. This is 4, this will be 9. Okay, so what did you get? This is 13, so this will be root 29. Okay, then next bit, it's given in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, if it's given in cylindrical coordinates, let me convert it into Cartesian. Okay, or let me do one thing. Let me write, okay, over here instead of x1, let me write rho 1 cos phi 1 minus rho 2 cos phi 2, because we all know that x is equal to rho cos phi, and we also know that y is equal to rho sin phi. All right, then this is like this. Z is as it is. Okay, so let me just now substitute the values. First it's rho 1 is 3, then 3 cos pi by 2. Okay, 3 cos pi by 2 minus, this is 3 sine, one second, it's 5 cos 3 pi by 2, 5 cos 3 pi by 2. Okay, plus this thing will be 3 sine pi by 2 minus 5 cos 3 pi by 2 whole square plus z is as it is 5. Oh, one second, z is how much? This is new z, minus 5 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, okay, minus 1 minus 5. Yeah, is this correct? Okay, you guys also do with me. Okay, 3 cos pi by 2, 3 sin pi by 2. Okay, 5 cos 3 pi by 2. Yeah, all this is correct. Then yeah, we all know cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 means cos 370 degrees. Yeah, so this is also 0. No, one second, it's what, cos 3 pi by 2. Okay, yeah, correct, it's 270 degrees. This is also 0, so this whole thing is 0. Then over here this is 5 sin pi by 2, so this sin pi by 2 is what, 1. And over here 5 cos why have I written over here cos? This is sine, and sine 3 pi by 2 we all know is minus 1, so it will become plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 5, and this one is minus 6 whole square, this whole square. So what shall I write over here? Root over of, this is 8 square, that is 64, and the other one is 36. So this is root 100, so I got 10. Okay, then next bit if I have to take out, it's in spherical coordinates. Yes, these are in spherical coordinates. So what shall I write for that? Instead of x1 minus x2, instead of x1, what I can write? r1 sine theta 1, correct? r1 sine theta 1 cos phi 1. Okay, this is correct because x is equal to r sine theta cos phi. Okay, then just write 2 here, sine theta 2 cos phi 2. All right, then next y, instead of y, what should I write? r sine theta sine phi. Okay, so this is 1 minus r2 sine theta 2 sine phi 2 whole square plus instead of z1 minus z2, I can write r1 cos theta 1 minus r2 cos theta 2 whole square. Okay, this is correct. Okay, then next let me just substitute the values. What is What is R1 given to us? R1 is 10. Okay, this is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is what, 45 degrees. This is 3 pi by 4. That is what, 135 degrees. Okay. So basically my R1 is 4. This is sine pi by 4. This is cos 3 pi by 4. Okay. R theta phi. Okay, this one is 10, not 4. Okay. This one is 10. And what about the other one? What about the other point? Well, it is, let's check, 5, and this is pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees, and over here this is, okay, 7 pi by 4 is given over here. Okay, so 7 pi by 4 is basically minus 45 degrees, you can say, isn't it? 1, 3, 5, 7, yeah, you can say it minus 45 degrees also. Okay, anyways, 5 sine pi by 6 cos 7 pi by 4. Okay, this whole square. Then next, let me just try to a bigger one. Okay, then you guys also keep doing with me. Then this is plus, it's written R1, that is 10 sine, this is pi by 4. Then this is sine phi 1, that will be 3 pi by 4. Alright, minus R2 is 5 sine theta 2 is pi by 6. Then this phi 2 is sine 7 pi by 4 whole square, plus this R1 again 10 cos theta 1, that is pi by 4. And what is this? This is 5 cos, this is pi by 6 whole square. I have substituted it correctly, I hope. Let me check. Okay, I have substituted it correctly. Okay, anyways, then next, moving on, let's just put it in the calculator and calculate. What is this? Okay, this sine pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. And what is this? This is cos 135 degrees. So I can say it is minus 1 by root 2. So basically it will be minus 10 by 2. Then minus this sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. And this is cos of minus 45 degrees. That will be what? 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. So this is again 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. I think it's 5 by 2 root 2. I think then this is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2. Okay, you guys put it in the calculator and check. Then next, plus 10 sine pi by 4. And this is what? Sine, yeah, 135 degrees. So it will be 10 by 2 minus, this is 5. This is sine 30 degrees, we all know, is 1 by 2. And this one is, this one will be minus 1 by root 2. Okay, then plus 10 cos pi by 4. 10 by root 2 minus 5. This is what? Cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2. Okay, whole square. Now I'm going to put this in the calculator. Okay, what is this? Okay, all of you take out your calculators as well. Let me take out mine. Then this is what? One sec. This is 10 by minus 10 by 2 is written 5. Then plus, minus, this is what? 5 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so what did you get? Just square that. I got 45.802. Then plus, the next thing is 5. Okay, it's the same thing, isn't it? Then again 45 by 802. Okay, then next is 10 divided by root 2. Okay, minus this is 5 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so I got this, then is equal to, squared it, then I got 7.512, then root over of this thing. Alright, then plus This is one sec, plus 45.802 plus again 45.802. Okay, so after adding all this, I got 99.11 something I got, and root over is almost its root over obviously will be 9.9. Okay, 9.955. Okay, this is what I got. Okay, so basically you saw that we used this, and over here only just substituted it, like instead of x we wrote rho cos phi, like that, and in spherical instead of x we wrote r sine theta cos phi and solved it like that. You did not remember the individual formulas that you get after deriving, after substituting this rho cos phi and all. You just substitute the value, you just remember this Cartesian formula, and from here only you take out the distance. Okay, thank you, that's all for this video. You guys also take it out and tell me whether you are getting these values or not. Okay, thank you.